Welcome back to my Macrame Basics series. Here is a super simple half hitch knot tutorial. The great thing about this knot is that whatever direction your starting string is in is the direction your row will go. So I'm going to take the far left string and direct it at an angle over the top of the rest of the string. I'll start with the second string and bring it over the top of the first and pull it through the loop we created and pull it tight. Make sure it looks like this. Then you're going to wrap the end over again and pull through the loop and pull it tight. This is what one full half hitch knot looks like. I'm going to repeat it with the next strings. And then with the third string. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like on with a bit of a smaller rope. I'm going to follow the same steps as before, but this time I'm going to make a V shape. So I'm going to take the far left string, angle it downwards, and then I'm going to make 3 half hitch knots. I'm going to cross it over, pull it through the loop, and pull it tight. I'm going to do that one more time with this string to finish the knot. And then I'll move on to the next string for the second knot. And then the third. Then I'm going to take the far right string and create 3 knots in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to take the right string over the left, create one final half hitch knot to complete our V shape. This is also how you can create chevron shapes, diamond shapes. You can also do half hitch knots straight across if you'd like to create a row. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and follow us on Instagram at punky.knot.